Thank you.
My pleasure, Banjo Benny.
Whoa, look
Hey.
at that. It's a horsey with a
A
saddle.
little horsey.
Whoa.
That's a mini horsey. Hey, you want to know something? I got an idea.
What's that?
He might fit perfectly on the horsey, except he's looking up at the sky.
Whoa, he's reaching for the sky with his pizza boxes.
You don't see people riding like this too often, but the tick likes to ride like that. Here's some
Oh,
here's
stay
some,
on there, buddy.
here's some riding music, Mr. Tick.
God. This is impressive. Nice riding skills.
Titanic riding music.
Slow motion.
Every night
Daddy.
when I dream. Yeah.
Hey there, little horsey.
Hey, little horsey. My name's Mr. Whistle. Hey, didn't we have another guy named Mr. Whistle?
Maybe.
Oh,
I never met.
I think we had I think it was a gazelle that was a whistle before.
Oh, them gazelles.
I love a gazelle whistle.
They have a really good leap about them, don't they?
Yeah,